no matter how your time is spent on the water. Wholesale Marine has the parts and supplies that you need at the price you want. At Wholesale Marine, our associates have over 500 years of combined boating experience to help you make the most of your time on the water. Visit wholesalemarine.com.
Grab the good stuff, JC. Load us up. Need to be hydrated today. I'll take some. We need a bunch. We need a bunch. Hydration.
What's up, man?
Energy. Gotta get fired up. Perfect. Have a good one. Ready, monster boy? All right, JC.
Oh, yeah.
If you're headed out for a day on the water, make sure you visit Tom Thumb Food Stores. Get your food, drinks, fuel, and ice all in one place. Perfect for your on-the-go Florida lifestyle. Fast, fresh, friendly. Tom Thumb Food Stores.
Alrighty guys, well today, we're gonna be learning how to throw cast nets, a 10 and 12 footer. The thing about cast nets, there's different size meshes for different size fish like that you'll be targeting. So we'll have 1/4 inch, we'll have 3/8, 1/2 inch, and all the way up to 1 inch, sometimes 1.5. So the bigger the mesh, you're gonna be targeting more like mullet. The medium mesh will be more like ballyhoo and pilchards. And then the smaller will be the glass minnows or the very small pilchards. So you don't want to be throwing like a bigger mesh net on the small pilchards, because then what we call a Christmas tree, what they do is just, fill the net up and get gilled off, which, makes no sense to have them as live bait then, because they're all gonna die. So today, we're gonna show you how to throw the cast net. Me, First Mate JC, and Captain Austin. And so basically, what we're gonna be doing is coiling up the line in your hand, grabbing the horn right here. We're gonna take about an arm's length down here by your hip, place it in your hand here, and then one more time, grabbing it right here by your hip, and we're gonna put it together just like this. We're gonna grab the lead here, give it like a little flip. That's gonna be enough to be able to throw it under your arm. We'll be doing this one-on-one, but this is the only tricky part, is just getting it like right up here. And then we take the lead line, just put it up underneath, just like that. Then we're gonna grab the inside lead line, flip it over your shoulder, and then you're gonna be ready to throw. So when you throw, it's gonna be, keep your hands close together, and it's just like throwing a 5-gallon bucket of water. So we're gonna see the bait fish, you'd see him running, you'd be on the bow, give it a little swing, and toss it on out, let it rip, just like that. Now once you got the bait fish in there, this is gonna sink, hit the bottom, you're gonna wanna rail it, just sit there and just kind of pull. You see how it's like grabbing on the bottom, keeps the bait in there. Well, Patrick, you ready for today?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, well, we're gonna go out there in the Florida Bay, hit the Gulf wrecks there. These are top secret wrecks, so, we can't be giving out any of these numbers or anything like that. Keep all these safe on my GPS today, because we're gonna be hitting some good spots. We're gonna be going for COBIAs, a little bit of everything, kingfish, jack snappers, and of course, those Goliath groupers. So got a nice day, to be calm, a little chilly, but I'm ready for the action. So out here in the Florida Bay, you know, it's really like a needle in a haystack. You know, it's all sand, and then you have some structure like a wreck or anything like that. And it's just like in the desert, you know, put up a tree in there and everything's gonna come to it. Same thing out here. So you gotta like really be on it, anchor correctly, so that chum's flowing over the wreck, draws the fish off the wreck, coming to you. So you don't wanna be anchored up right on it, and you know, because the fish will eat and then go like right into the wreck, so you wanna coax them off the wreck. All right, JC, you ready? Go ahead. Good job.
All right.
Sample on him. We actually have a permit that allows us to bring this fish in, and we're going to sample him, see if it's something that we caught in the past here.
What do you say? The 14, 5, 16, 17, 18, 30 inches.
30 inches. There you go, buddy.
Use the anchor trusted by professionals. Fortress anchors are designed lighter, set faster, and provide stronger holding power than the competition. For the best value in anchoring safety and convenience, use the legendary Fortress anchor.
So basically a knocker rig is just going to be, you know, your free weight. Jack likes to put beads on there so their weight doesn't go over the hook. Basically with this, you're just tying a uni knot. So the knocker rig, you know, that weight's going to keep that bait down on the bottom. And when you actually look at a cobia and you see their bellies are white, a lot of them actually sit on the bottom and then they come up to the surface and tan. But this will keep that. Well, that's why they're brown on top. Cobia come up to the surface of tan, bro. They got to get a good tan on. But yeah, this will keep the bait on the bottom. You know, that way you can get all the water columns. You know, you got your surface bait, you got your ones on the bottom. Over there, you get the whole area covered.
Oh, big cobia. Big cobia. Big cobia. No, it's a cobia. Big cobia. Big cobia. He's on. He's on. He's on. He's on.
Okay, good.
He's got his 40. Good. Got the light tackle. Okay, go nice and smooth on him. Right here. He is. Nice and smooth on him. That's light leader.
There we go. Got him! Yeah! All right. Slob cobia. Yes, sir. Monster. Got a monster on too. Just keep reeling, keep reeling. You got him coming.
Cast that one out in the back. That one. Fish on! Big fish on!
Nice and smooth on them. That's light leader.
Good job. Thank you.
All right, you did it, you did it! Monsters! Got him on the monster.
Come on. Yeah, good job. There you go, one. There you go.
Oh.
We'll see, he's got to be 33 to the fork. It's close. All right, got another one. That's awesome. Hold them both up. Here, you grab this one. Here, you grab this.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Fishy, fishy. Look at that.
Woo!
No matter how your time is spent on the water, Wholesale Marine has the parts and supplies that you need at the price you want. At Wholesale Marine, our associates have over 500 years of combined boating experience to help you make the most of your time on the water. Visit wholesalemarine.com.
Going for the monsters. John has no clue what he's in store for. Ready for that bite. Get that monster. Come on. Just watching you work. Come on, John. Let's get him. Let's go. Man, I'm not even breaking a sweat. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Here it comes, monster.
You caught my fish again.
Got him. Good job, John. Here you go. Take a sip. Yeah. There you go. Okay.
There you go. So much.
Come on.
I'll take.